Here we have a short training video on how to set the start date for managing your fixed assets in Xero. Here we are in our test client, Virtually There Limited. We're on the dashboard. We need to go into the accounting menu, and all the way down at the bottom here we have fixed assets. So this will bring you to this page here. As you can see, nothing's been set up yet. There's a little video from Xero there, but it's quite general. Probably won't give you the information you need to get going with this. But it does give a tip there that you can import your existing asset register using the CSV, or you can manually add assets. We will be showing you later on in the scenario how to do both. You need to set the start date. That's the first step. We click on set the start date. Now, typically it is the first date in the financial year for your clients. So with Virtually There Limited, we have the closing trial balance for the 31st of March 2024. We are going to start managing the fixed assets in Xero from the 1st of April 2024. There we go, it's given us that option, and we press save. And that's it. Now we're ready to start importing our fixed assets.